My dear students, I am Pradeep Kumar, mathematics teacher. We are continuing solving important questions from previous year's question paper. We are doing integration parts. I will complete 15 videos for 12th class mathematics students. If you sincerely attend all these videos and practice sincerely, you can score easily 70 to 80% marks in the coming examination. So, I am doing also some formula videos. If you attend daily that videos and by heart all the formulas, you can easily solve tough questions. Then today we are going to study about integration by parts. Integration by parts, that is integral uv dx. We had already studied product rule of differentiation and quotient rule of differentiation. Product rule of differentiation, d by dx of uv is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx, where u and v are functions of x. Similarly, quotient rule of differentiation we had already studied, d by ds of u by v, that is equal to v into du by ds minus u into dv by ds all divided by v square. Here integral uv dx, u and v are functions of x. Integral uv dx equal to first function into, that is first function is u, first function into integral of second function, that is integral v dx, first function into integral of second function minus integral of d by ds of first function into integral of second function. That is integration by parts. The formula is integral uv dx equal u into, that is first function into integral of second function, that is u into integral of v dx minus integral of d by ds of first function, that is d by ds of u into integral of second function, integral of v dx. Then we can use this formula to solve one important question from previous year's question paper, that is integral x to the power of 4 log x dx. We can solve this question, that is integral x raised to 4 log x dx. You see, here we must differentiate, that is u, first function we must differentiate, here d by ds of u. So we must arrange the first function, that is, and some arrangement must be there. Here u is equal to x to the power of 4, v is equal to log x. X raised to 4 we can integrate easily, because we know integral x raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. But integral log x, that is, we know integral 1 by x dx equal to log x. So some arrangement must be there. We can arrange this question as integral log x, x to the power of 4 dx, because we can differentiate log s easily. So this is equal to first function into integral of second function. Here u is equal to log x. After arranging, we get u is equal to log x and v is equal to x to the power of 4. So we can apply the formula, that is first function into integral of second function. First function is, that is log x, first function into integral of second function, that is integral of x raised to 4 dx minus integral of d by ds of first function. In this case, d by ds of u, that is d by ds of log x. D by ds of log x is what? D by ds of log x, that we know, 1 by x, into integral of second function, that is integral of v dx, that is x to the power of 4, that is integral of x raised to 4 dx. Clear? So this is equal to log x into integral of x raised to 4 dx. Integral of x raised to n dx equal integral of x raised to n dx equal x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore, this is equal to log x into integral of x raised to 4 dx, that is x raised to 5 divided by 5 minus integral of 1 by x into x raised to 5 divided by 5 dx. That is equal to log x raised to 5 divided by 5 minus integral of 1 by x into x raised to 5 divided by 5 dx. We know we can cancel x in x raised to 5. So this is equal to log x into x raised to 5 divided by 5 minus integral of x raised to 4 divided by 5 dx. We can cancel x in x raised to 5. So we will get x raised to 4. So this is equal to log x. This is equal to log x raised to 5 divided by 5 minus integral x raised to 4 by 5 dx. We know integral x raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore, this is equal to x raised to 5 divided by 5 into 5 plus c, that is equal to log x raised to 5 divided by 5 minus x raised to 5 divided by 25 plus c. Hence the answer. Clear? That is integration by parts, very important part. That is integral uv dx equal to, that is first function into integral of second minus integral of first function into integral of second function. In this case, log x, that is, it is easy to differentiate. Hence, we must arrange. So, log x is the first function and x raised to 4 is the second function. If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Clear? Okay. Next question is, this question is, find integral sin square x minus cos square x divided by sin x cos x dx. So, we must split this fraction like, you see, integral sin square x divided by sin x cos x minus cos square x divided by sin x cos x whole dx. Integral sin square x by sin s cos x minus cos square x by sin s cos x dx. Okay. So this is equal to integral sin square x by sin x cos x dx. Sinus will cancel. So it will be sin x divided by cos x dx minus, in this case, cos square x is cos x into cos x. So 1 cos x will cancel. So it will be cos x by sin x. Cos x divided by sin x, that is integral cos x minus cos x divided by sin x dx. We know this is equal to integral sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x is tan x. So this is equal to integral tan x dx minus integral cos x by sin x dx, that is integral cot x dx, that is equal to integral tan x dx. What is integral tan x dx? That is log secant x. So this will be log modulus of secant x minus integral cot x dx, that is log sin x plus c. Hence the answer. Clear? So integral tan x dx, that is equal to log secant x minus integral cot x dx, that is equal to log sin x. C is the integral constant. Clear? If you have any doubt in any steps, please comment in my comment box. Next question is, this question is, find integral 2 to 3 1 by x dx. We know the integral 1 by x dx equal to log x. So we can apply the formula. So integral 2 to 3 1 by x dx will be log x, then to 3. So lower limit and upper limit, that is equal to log 3 minus log 2. See, this is the logarithm. We know in logarithm, log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a raised to n equal to n log a. That is the logarithm part. So this is equal to log a minus log b. That is log a by b. So this is equal to log 3 divided by 2 plus c, where c is the integral constant. So we must know the formula of logarithm also. Clear? Because mathematics is like a ladder, step by steps. All the formula we must study. So my dear students, I will complete 15 videos for mathematics 12th class students. If you sincerely attend all these videos and study all my formula video by heart, then you can easily score 70 to 80% mark even the below average students. Wish you all the best. Thank you.